G'day, this is Simon from My Gard. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to insert a NANO Sim card into our adult body watch. This is one of our latest additions to our body collection, and that's what the box looks like. Pull the sleeve, and as we can see, this is the watch. There's instructions in here on how to insert the SIM card inside the device as well, and you're going to need a NANO SIM card. Make sure you'll ask for a NANO or a 4G SIM card when you actually go and get your own SIM card, in opposed to using My Bodyguard SIM packages. So let's look at inside the box. Alright, so we have charging cable that directly connects to the watch via magnetic cable, like that, and you plug it into your computer. Or an option extra, we have a Bluetooth charger and speaker all at once as well. And what you can do is just plug it into your computer and put the watch on top of it, and it'll start charging. Alright, so inside we also have a little screwdriver which can be used to open the little cover on the side. Undo the screws. Try not to lose them, they're very small. But in case you do, we do have two spare ones inside the box as well. So the screws come all the way out. Alright, and pry it open. There's the cover. Place it on the table. Next thing you're going to need is, as I mentioned earlier, a NANO SIM card. Alright. Looks like this one's a bit tricky to get open. This is a Spark SIM card from New Zealand, and it's got all-in-one SIM sizes. So I'm going to push out the 4G size, which is the NANO SIM card, and what we're going to do is look the watch from the side, the way I'm doing at the moment, and when you're inserting the SIM card, chip has to be facing upwards towards the screen, and the little folded corner, which every SIM card has to go in first, and it's pointing to the right. Push it in, and then use the screwdriver to push it all the way in, or maybe you've got longer fingernails and that can be done without any tools. So put back the cover. The cover should go back when you're looking at the watch from the side, and you should be able to read SIM. Alright, let's put the screws back. Don't overdo them, just enough to hold it in place. Alright. We've now successfully inserted the SIM card. Next thing you got to do is turn on the watch from the button on the side, and you'll see it says hello on the screen, and we'll start booting up. In our next video, I'm going to demonstrate how to pair it with TrackMap platform, and until then, leave us some comments, questions below, and that way we can keep on creating content to help you set up your watches and do the troubleshooting in case you have any issues or challenges with the watch. Thank you. Have a great day.